The easiest way to get unwanted scratches and swirls is washing a muddy vehicle as they stick to the surface of the vehicle. This is why we recommend doing a touchless pre-wash before doing the physical washing of the vehicle.
You have my heart, and we'll never be worlds apart. Maybe in magazines, but you still be my star. Because
whoa, amber is the color of your energy.
Because
whoa,
be your friend,
shades
but
of
know those to get us to the end.
The pre-wash is now done. However, you will still see some dirt on the vehicle, but this dirt has now all softened up, and the vehicle is now safe to do the physical wash. All done, you now have a scratch and swirl-free vehicle. Like and follow for more.